Every time we work with Revit, we will actually are defining a sequence of parametric elements that control the objects. There is a concept in Revit, named interswap. This means that any object, as long as it belongs to the same family, could be changed. As an example, we will take this door. By selecting this door, we can visualize its data, and define that it is a 60 cm door, which belongs to the interior family. In first place, we would be able to change the type of this door, for example from 60 to 90 centimeters, or even change the family from interior to sliding. The purpose by using this in a Revit project will simply be that in an integral project, we can go from less to more. For example, we could define all this data as generic data, and in the process of the project, we can make certain definitions and change the materiality of the objects. Let's see this walls spreadsheet. Its data tells us that there are walls that are generic. So we could make the decision to define these generic walls in this instance of the project, so this wall, which until now is generic, can change to the type of wall we want, like a concrete wall. Now, if we see the spreadsheet, we can see that we have certain walls that have not yet been assigned to a type of materiality. In other words, we could supervise with the spreadsheets those elements that are not yet defined, or that someone else, in another instance in my studio, may be defining. This can be done with any object, even a staircase, to which we could, for example, change the type. We must not forget that every change we make will also be modified in all the two-dimensional, three-dimensional documentation and all the associated data. This is the reason why this concept is so important, because at different stages of the project we can assign tasks or people so that they can effectively, and in a coordinated way, move forward in a project that goes from less to more.